Arsenal 3, West Ham United 1. You can have your Moody penalty. We can have a penalty that was Moody disallowed. We won 3-1. Gabriel Martinelli, bruv. Gabriel Martinelli. Martin Odegaard saucing. Saucing. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And
Merry Christmas, my bro.
Felix
Navidad. Felix Navidad.
I'm sipping the Barcelo Ron Dominicano. What are you sipping, bro?
Bro, what is that? What? I don't even know what that is. What is this?
Dominicano, yeah?
What you got there, bro? It looks like we got the same thing. Oh, my God. Wait. Aren't you in Spain, though? Aren't you in Spain right now? What's going on here, bro?
You embrace the culture, yeah?
Bro, you deserve a clap. Man. You deserve a clap for that one, bro.
Come on, big up, bro. How are you and the family, man? I love you to bits, and we need a meet up. Yeah, before the World Cup in 26, we need a meet up.
For sure. No, that's gonna happen. I'm gonna pay for your ticket to get your ass over here just so I can give you a tour.
You ain't paying for another. You book a flight to Madrid, then Malaga, from where you are.
There you go.
So John Lennon or whatever airport it is, right? You book a flight from New York to Madrid to Malaga, return. That's on me, bro. Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, man.
Yeah, come on, man. 23.
Feliz Navidad, bro. Hope you're doing good, man. Today made everything so much sweeter. Obviously vibing with you, man. It's always a good time. I couldn't let you go out with that Santa hat by yourself. You know what I mean? I had to throw out the little jolly bells over here.
I'm getting this trimmed tomorrow, yeah, or today now.
Nah, bro, I ain't got nothing to trim. I ain't got nothing to trim. You know what I mean,
bro?
But always good to see you, brother.
I'm the same.
Not yet. Relax.
How you been? Merry Christmas.
I've been good, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, no, everything's good over here, man. Just holding it down. Obviously, just kicking back with the family for the last, 3 days. Tomorrow's back at it, back grinding. You know, we don't take any breaks when you're an entrepreneur. You just like you, my bro, always grinding. And today was a good way to seal out the holiday season. You know what I mean? I want
to ask you, right, because we had 6 weeks without Premier League football, which, listen, as much as the World Cup was great,
I was going to say just that. Yeah.
But it felt like 6 months. Yeah, it felt like 6 months, bro. The last time we watched Arsenal play in the Premier League, I think, was Wolverhampton Wanderers, which was a rearranged fixture, right? But we watched Wolves. Bro, that feels like 6 months ago. The World Cup was great, cool, fantastic. The final, we got the right outcome. The GOAT won the thing. But it was great to get Prem football back. And then you watch all of the early kickoffs, the midday or the lunchtime kickoffs, whatever. And every result went the right way. So now Arsenal are now losing 1-0 to a penalty after dominating. You're thinking, oh my days, Santa Claus Arsenal in town, yeah? Right? Then we get a penalty. And then it gets overturned, and you're like, bro, talk to me. That second half of football was one of the best second halves Arsenal have ever had under that manager.
For sure, man. For sure. Listen, the football gods exist, and I'll leave it just short and sweet. Messi got to lift the trophy, and I think anybody that's a football fan before a club fan is going to celebrate that, you know what I mean? But today's performance, after, like you said, I was going to touch base on that 6 weeks of or club football. It was important to see. We needed to come out and we needed to show exactly what we were doing behind the scenes. Obviously, Mikel Arteta had the boys, training over in Dubai and all that, and a 3, which I called. I know you saw that I called that in your stream earlier today, but we were never in doubt. And to see a convincing 3-1 win after we were down kind of sort of looks like what Argentina did in the World Cup. Argentina was faced with a lot of different problems or a lot of different obstacles in the World Cup, and today we overcame it, and today we kind of hushed a lot of people. So, like Terry Flores was saying, people are scared.
How do you say
People were scared
in
of
Spanish?
Arsenal.
How'd you say, bro? How'd you say scared in Spanish? Because man's scared of everything.
Miedo, tiene miedo.
Yeah, miedo.
Tiene miedo. Miedo. Yeah. Tiene miedo.
Right.
Tiene miedo.
Isn't mierda fucking like shit?
Yeah, but no, that's mierda.
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 But
Miedo.
is scared.
Miedo.
Yeah.
Miedo is scared. Yeah.
But miedo is shit.
O asustado. Asustado is another way of saying scared. So going back to our little conversation from earlier.
Terry needs to copy and paste the videos into Spanish and translate them just for the banter.
I could do that. I could do that. No problem, bro. I'll help you guys out, man. But listen, hey, sexy football is back, Papi. Sexy football is back, Papi. And that's what we've been asking for a very long time. I called the 3-1 win. I was confident.
Sorry to cut you, but
for sure
is back. Bro, we've waited 6 weeks, which felt like 6 months. And we were like, oh my God, we've seen Liverpool win. We've seen Tottenham draw. We've seen Newcastle slap Leicester in fucking 40 minutes.
Yeah.
We've seen all these other games. Now we're 1-0 down. And it's like, oh my days, are Arsenal going to bottle it? But you know what? Arteta's face when he walked off at half time, he was fuming. I have never seen that guy in 3 years, which it is now, fuming so much in his face. Bro, we lost to Olympiacos. We lost to Villarreal. We've lost other games.
Yeah, I remember that. Oh, that hurt, bro. Those are annoying wins, annoying losses.
He was throwing cups. He was throwing chairs. He was throwing plates. Wenger maybe came down at halftime and said, why'd you look at me? Yeah, and all of this. Yeah, but that halftime team talk, they came out and it shows they're working for him, which is all we've wanted to see. We want to see work ethic. We want to see passion, fight for the badge. As much as we diss Eddie and Ketia, yes, he scored today. Don't let it fool you. But every single player to a man today actually grafted, and that is the bare minimum. And graft with a sprinkle of talent, with Odegaard sourcing, Ben White sourcing, yeah. Without Jesus, that graft got us over the line because moment of quality here and there, game over.
For sure, man. For sure. And like your fan cam said, your reaction to the game, they showed me character. I think they showed a lot of everybody character today. After a long time without EPL football, it meant a lot to us Arsenal fans to keep that momentum going. And the fact that we did it, I mean, Ramsdale had an important key save to make towards the end of the game. Saliba was naive to make that diving tackle, which put us under pressure, but that's because he didn't get to play in France, for France at all at the World Cup. So
he was on the pitch longer than him.
Russia blood, and a disallowed goal. Saka had a little touch, wasn't intentional, but Eddie was lively. You could tell he was on it. He's trying to prove people wrong, and we had a disallowed goal. Then the PK happened, and then we kind of got into our shell a little bit, and that's why I sent you that that little message in the live saying what kind of light bulb or which color light bulb is Arteta going to use, and he used the red one today, and North London is red today, brother, just like Christmas is, and Big Santa, and just like that big ass hat that you're wearing, it's all red, baby, and I'm happy. I'm excited, to see this team obviously progressing all together. And we haven't missed a beat, as you can see by today's performance. So I'm excited.
Fabrizio's tweeted out that we've put a 40 million plus 20 mil euros, obviously, bidding for Mudryk, yeah? Right? Obviously, that's a low ball, yeah, but you get business, you work in business, yeah? I've worked in business, yeah? Obviously, you start low, they start high, you meet somewhere in the middle. What do you think it will take? Yeah, and I want to say this as well. I love the fact that we're actually trying actively before the windows even open.
Now,
Liverpool have signed Cody Gakpo tonight, right? I think he'll flop personally, but that's not me being salty. Fair play to Liverpool. They act. They signed Diaz, Luis Diaz. Yeah, they signed him. Yeah, before the window opened. They're signing this guy before we're acting. Yes, it's a low ball, but between here and here, by maybe the 4th of Jan, 5th of Jan, we sign that player. Yeah. what do you think that we need to get over the line in terms of win the title this season? Is it him? Is it one or two players? Is it fucking luck? Is it a fucking mix of everything? Is it like 4 players? Is it, you tell me, like, what do you think we need to do?
Very good question, brother. And I think after today's performance, and I'll give you a little stat here. From what I read, Eddie Nketiah has been 11 games starting at Emirates Stadium, 11 times scoring in 16 chances. And you could quote me on this. This is something that I read. I may be wrong, but if that is true, I don't think we're going to sign a striker. And if the links to Mudryk are real, and we're putting on the table 40 plus 20, and supposedly Gakpo is being pursued by Liverpool 35 plus 15. Gakpo went to the World Cup, played for Holland, scored some goals, and we're overpaying for Mudryk. Mudryk should land right now. Mudryk should land because he wants to come.
Yeah.
And that's
Bro,
that's a fact.
Instagram story. He was watching the game.
Bro, I sent it to you. He had towels on his back. He's wetting the floors. He's wetting floors, bro. That man is deteriorating. He just wants to come here.
Like a little hooker, bro.
Yeah. Listen, number 14 is on Eddie Nketiah's back. If those stats are true, I don't think we're signing a striker. Supposedly, we all hope, we all cross our fingers that Jesus is going to come back February. Maybe end of February, but no longer than that. And Nketiah scoring the 3rd goal today after Starboy Saka, after Martinaldo, the true professional that we signed from Ituano, where was it, the 3rd division? Whatever it is, man. If our wingers keep on scoring the most important goals to put the game out of depth, and then Eddie Nketiah does the dirty business that Jesus has been doing. He hasn't been scoring many goals, but Nketiah scoring the 3rd goal today to put the game out of doubt. You gotta give it up to him, man. Nketiah, that's the way I've been calling him nonstop. And today he shut us up.
Somebody dropped that little gem. Santa came down the chimney and dropped him a little bit of credit on his phone. Yeah, and to be fair,
for sure.
As much as we don't, if you look at the Martinelli goal, he won the ball back and he played the ball inside into midfield, and off of the back of that, Martinelli scored. As much as we don't rate him, he did his thing today. Yeah, I don't think he was great. He spunked a couple of opportunities in the box. He scored and blah, whatever.
Instead of shooting, he passes to Saka. Yeah.
And this is where Odegaard, somebody that I'm critical of. Odegaard today for me was man of the match, and we're going to do play ratings in a minute. But Odegaard, for me, as in this 6 weeks, learned, I have to shoot. I have to pass at this time. I have to do this. And today, I thought he was lit.
Came off.
Benjamin White fully deserved to get man of the match today, but that
Benjamin Bauer. Yeah, Benjamin Bauer, absolutely.
That Cruyff turn that Odegaard did on Kufau and Paqueta, bro, that put him in a lead. But listen, we're going to do play ratings, people, and big up to everyone who's watched this on playback. Make sure you follow the channel. Make sure you check out player ratings. Make sure you check out Matt.
Hit the likes, people. Hit the likes, bro. It's holiday season. Hit the likes. You better have a smile on that face, man.
We're out.
Let's go, baby. Hey,
Adios.
I'll leave it at this. Eddie Nketiah has got people deleting Twitter things that they put on.
They're deleting the drafts, bruv, real quick. You know what I'm saying?
I feel that. Listen, Papa Wings, Henry, KSC in the building. Let's go. It's all love everywhere.
Vamos. Adios. Ciao.